Let's not overcomplicate it. It is as straightforward as that. First of all, you find and assess the potential purchase lease option, okay? You've got to work out, do they need the money now, or the favorable conditions? Does it look like something could do? Yes, great. You then agree the deal and complete the heads of terms form. That says exactly what the deal is, okay? So you need to get that completed with the owner. And you'd get them to sign that. And by the way, when they've signed it, that's a commitment. And you might actually pay them £1 there and then. Pay them £1, they sign the contract. That is actually a legally binding document. The problem is it's not enforceable. If it went to court and they found out you just did it on the kitchen table, they could claim you said all sorts of things and a judge might turn it over. So that's why we send it to the solicitors, solicitor for you, solicitor for them. They work together, put the contracts together, okay? They do all the paperwork. They'll take care of all the other legal requirements such as restrictions, power of attorney, all those kind of things. And you've got to project manage the process. So you've got to keep in touch with the owner. You know, if you speak to the owner and say, right, let's get it done, and then they don't hear anything for a month because the legal paperwork's being sorted out, they might go off the boil. They might think you're not interested. You need to keep in touch with the seller on a regular basis. You need to be on top of the solicitors to make sure they're moving at the required speed. They got other people's clients, other people they're dealing with as well. So you need to project manage and keep on top of it all. That's the process. And let's not overcomplicate it. It is as straightforward as that. It's about doing the simple things consistently to get these deals to work.